Alright, so it looks like this video is going to come out a little late. It's already well past the week mark and I'm actually just finishing it up. But it's been an exciting couple of days. So you can see here I got a new best friend here with me. So we've just been kind of hanging out and doing things. Obviously this is a little bit of a setback with the car as well. I have some plans of some things I want to do with it, but it's going to have to wait for a little bit now. Import face-off is coming up soon. I'm going to try to get the car finished before then. I want to get it painted and everything, but I got a package in the mail today, so we're going to go get that taken care of and do a little install video and review of it. So we're going to do an install. Video today. I got this tire lettering kit from Prevail Squad. I'll leave a link in the bio to contact them about it. It's pretty windy out here, so I'm sorry if the audio gets kind of messed up. Plus with the cars driving by as well. It recommends you clean the tires with acetone, but all I have is nail polish remover. So we're going to try that out and see how that works. They also recommend the Gorilla Super Glue Gel. It adheres to rubber really well and vertical surfaces. I think it's also recommended to take the tire off, but just for easy purposes, I'm not. If anyone ends up ordering one of these kits, I highly suggest selecting a word that doesn't have the letter M in it, because so far it's really the only thing that's even giving me a hassle. Alright, so the driver's side's completely done now. I'm about to get started on the passenger side. It's not really a hard install to do. It's a little bit time consuming and it kind of sucks getting the super glue stuck on your fingers. But so far, they're turning out pretty good. I think it's going to look sweet. It's going to break up all that black as well. Last one. And we're done. Whee! So that's going to conclude this week's video. I'm going to keep it short, sweet, and simple. I'm going to throw something in here real quick at the end, because I know last week I promised you guys some close-ups and some more prettier shots of the car. I wanted to do something more with this, but with the weather we've gotten and just time, I just haven't been able to do anything or throw something better together. So it's just going to be a short 2-minute video of everything I just picked up and threw together real quick. It's nothing fancy or anything, but I think it shows off the car nicely. So next plan is next week I have another install to do and hopefully get the fenders painted and everything bolted down well before April 23rd for import face-off. But as always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.
Don't call it a comeback!
Success occurs when your dreams get bigger than your excuses. Be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. On fire. Fire.